तो जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि गुरुवार को आईएससी 12th के रिजल्ट्स जो हैं वो आउट हो चुके हैं और सिलीगुड़ी शहर की अगर हम बात करें जो कि हमेशा एक चर्चा का विषय रहता है और यहाँ के बच्चे तो बहुत ही होनहार। तो एक बार फिर से सिलीगुड़ी शहर से बाऊपाड़ा की रहने वाली राशि चौबे जो कि राज्य की टॉपर हुई हैं और काफी अच्छे, यानी कि कितने अच्छे हो सकते हैं आप अनुमान भी नहीं लगा सकते। 400 में से 400 अंक, क्या ये संभव है? बिल्कुल। तो उन्होंने असंभव को भी संभव कर दिखाया और पूरे सिलीगुड़ी शहर का जो है नाम रोशन किया है। नमस्कार दर्शकों, मैं हूं स्वाति और आप देख रहे हैं इस वक्त मेरे साथ एनी न्यूज भारत। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और आइए आज एक बहुत ही खास खबर लेकर आप सभी के साथ हम जुड़ चुके हैं और इस वक्त हम बैठे हैं राशि चौबे के साथ में जो कि राज्य की टॉपर है, हम सभी जानते हैं। और मैं आपको बता दूं एक बार फिर से, उन्होंने 400 में से 400 अंक प्राप्त किए हैं और आईएससी की पूरे राज्य की टॉपर बनी है। सिर्फ माता पिता का ही नहीं, पूरे सिलीगुड़ी शहर का नाम रोशन कर दिया है। तो राशि, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका एनी न्यूज भारत में एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेनी मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू, बहुत बहुत बधाइयां आपको। तो पहले तो हम ये जानना चाहेंगे कि हाउ आर यू फीलिंग, मतलब एक टॉपर होना, एक स्कूल में टॉप करना, बट यहाँ यू आर ए नेशनल टॉपर, राइट? सो हाउ यू आर फीलिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल?
Oh, thank you so much for that introduction and for congratulating me. I would say, yeah, I feel pretty satisfied, right? I have this sense of satisfaction and relaxation that the objective best that I did was subjectively and objectively the best overall. So, yeah, it's a good feeling.
तो राशि, अच्छा ये 400 में से 400, राइट? मतलब
Yeah,
ये
right.
एक होता है कि एक परसेंटेज का हम अनुमान लगा सकते हैं, बट आपने एक असंभव चीज को भी संभव करा, मतलब यू मेड इम्पॉसिबल टू पॉसिबल, राइट? तो मतलब हाउ डिड यू डू दैट?
Yeah, that is true. Usually they cut 1 mark in English because the checking is very strict, especially in our board ISC. We do Shakespeare and all of that. And also, it's a bit like subjectivity, depends on examiner if they like your essay or do not like your essay. So, that's why I was expecting high only. I was expecting like 99.75 because 8 marks cut leta hai. But then, I was glad to see the 100, 100, 100, 100 line by line. Yeah.
इट्स रियली वेरी नाइस राशि। अच्छा, हम सभी जानना चाहेंगे कि आपकी जो एजुकेशन है फ्रॉम डे वन, किंडरगार्टन से जो हम सभी पढ़ना स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो आपकी जो एजुकेशन है वो कहाँ से हुई?
Yeah, so pre-nursery, nursery, KG was Marbut Nursery School, and from 1 to 12, I've been studying in Marbut High School.
तो वहाँ के एकेडमिक्स आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, जिस हिसाब से आपने टॉप किया है। सो आई मस्ट से, तो बिल्कुल क्या महाबट से आपको बता दें कि राशि की जो एजुकेशन है, महाबट स्कूल हम सभी जानते हैं, वहां से इनकी एजुकेशन हुई है। अच्छा, राशि पॉलिटिकल में भी बहुत रुचि रखती है, राजनीतिक में। तो अच्छा राशि, बहुत कम स्टूडेंट, देयर आर वेरी फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स जिनकी मतलब राजनीति पॉलिटिकल के प्रति एक होता है ना रुझाव होता है बच्चों का। आई हैव नेवर सीन एनीवन। So ये कैसे, how is it possible?
Yeah, I get that a lot. When people meet me, they say that I've never met anyone like you. So I have peculiar interests. Bachpan se I've read a lot, right? So it actually, I would say it started with literature because I used to read classic literature and Gothic literature, feminist literature, and then I sort of got into political literature, right? Like George Orwell or think Octavia E. Butler, Margaret Atwood's The Handmaid's Tale. So I was very interested in political theory, how the nature of state, how it originated. And then slowly I got interested in international relations, which is what I'll be doing my master's in, because I think we need to get out of the four walls we are surrounded by and see what's happening in the society. Yeah. We have to not be passive spectators, but be a part of the change and like do better for our society. We can't just, around myself, there is discrimination is so like rampant these days, like based on their identities or what people call themselves. People just have this mindset because my ascribed status is better than your status, right? Which I've never resonated with. And I think political education can change that in society. Yeah. That's why I want to do political science and then public policy, international relations.
Okay,
Yeah.
Is there any main reason behind choosing political science?
Is there a main reason? Yeah, there's nothing individually impacted it. It's like a mixture of reasons. I'm very into sociology, history, literature. So all of that, sort of merges. Political science is that sort of subject. Yeah. We can learn how it originated. We can learn economics is involved. We study political economics, right? And then Yeah, there are so many factors internally. It's such a diverse subject. You can branch out anyway. You can become
Yeah.
a political analyst. You can become an administrative officer. You can become a diplomat. I'm particularly interested in becoming a diplomat because I've been, public speaking since childhood. Those inter-school competitions. Yeah, so I think it's my strong suit. Apart from the interest, I think it suits me and my personality.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay. So Rashi, what have you chosen for your future? Any future plans or any dream?
Okay. So for future plan, that is what I'm going to do: bachelor's in political science, and then master's in international relations. I'm either going to go with the UPSC route, IFS officer, so I can represent India in international forums, or work in foreign policy making. Or either I'll look into masters abroad so that I can directly work with United Nations and other such organizations. So it will be in the field of diplomacy, however it may be. Yeah.
Okay, Rashi, we have heard that you have not taken any private tuition or any group coaching, and this is truly impossible क्योंकि बच्चे अभी के टाइम में आपको बता दें कि ट्यूशंस और प्राइवेट कोचिंग के बिना मतलब पढ़ ही नहीं पाते. छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी हम ट्यूशन जाते हुए देखते हैं. तो दिस इज रियली मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ, शब्द ही नहीं है मेरे पास आपके लिए कि आपने एक ट्यूशन भी नहीं लिया और कोई कोचिंग नहीं लिया. मतलब बिना विदाउट एनी ट्यूशन विदाउट एनी कोचिंग, मतलब सच What should I say? मतलब ये कैसे? अच्छा, इसके पीछे क्या रीजन है?
Is it that strange? I don't think.
Yeah, this is really strange because we see little kids, right, going to tuitions.
Yeah, it's
Nursery,
truly a
class
sad-
1, class 2, they
sad
are also
state.
taking tuition.
Yeah.
So you have not taken tuition, any group coaching also for your 10th, 11th, 12th. So what's the reason behind that?
That's just not my way of studying. Everybody has different ways of studying. Yeah, I see those like little kids and they carry like twice their weight of backpacks.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a sad state. That's because education has become so commercialized these days. Of course, some people need some extra attention outside school. So I wouldn't say tuitions are bad overall. Don't go to tuitions. If you need that help, then you must get that help, right? Because not all students are equally made. But I personally never needed that because I've been lucky, I guess, with good teachers fundamentally. When I was in my primary school, I had good teachers, supportive teachers, and even now, and then it gradually developed into me knowing how to study myself. So even if a teacher is not that helpful, say, then I could just like do it myself. I learned how to study. That is what it is.
So राशि, हमने सुना है कि पेरेंट्स का बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट होता है एंड दिस इज रियली वेरी ट्रू कि एक बच्चे की जो एजुकेशन होती है उसका ऑल ओवर जो डेवलपमेंट होता है ना, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक मतलब टीचर्स का हाथ नहीं होता, सभी का ऑल ओवर डेवलपमेंट उसमें होता है, टीचर्स का, बच्चों का, पेरेंट्स का. तो आपके पेरेंट्स का इसमें क्या योगदान रहा?
Of course, yeah. So I got 99% in my ICSE class 10. So when you get that sort of marks in class 10, everybody sort of expects you to be, like with that herd mentality, go into like JEE and NEET coachings, right? But then my parents were always like, you do whatever you want to do. So I always knew that from the beginning. So I never, they honestly, they do not really care. They're like, you do whatever you want to do because I'm so passionate and so like clear with my worldviews and what I want to do, and so head first, and I'm very opinionated about it. So even if they stop me, then also I would do what I'm doing, I think. But then yeah, of course they've been really supportive. My mother taught me since bachpan se till like class 4 5, and like that's why, so technically she taught me how to study, right? And that is what I am still doing abhi bhi. And then my dad, I can go to him with every small doubt or something. I can just be like, Papa, iska matlab kya hota hai? And then he'll explain it to me. If I don't understand, if I don't remember some politician's name, so I'll be like, so this guy, what did he do? And then my dad will like give me his history. So I can always, look up to them and go towards them if I have any problems. Yeah.
So राशि, हमने सुना है कि आप पोएम्स भी लिखती हैं, कविताएं भी लिखती हैं, and you post on your Facebook, Instagram, everywhere, social media. So वो उसके पीछे क्या reason? Is it your dream or something a part of your studies?
Oh, I like that you've done your research well.
Yeah, of course. We'd like to know this.
Yeah. So no, I don't have a Facebook account. I do have an Instagram account which I've had since class 11. So
Okay.
I don't know how many people will understand, but then I used to write fan fiction. when I was in class 11 on Wattpad, and then it slowly, because it was lockdown, right? And then school started. So of course I did not have the time to write 3,000 word chapters
Yeah, of course.
when school started. So then I thought, okay, let me, because I read Dickinson and Plath and all of that, let me try my hand at poetry. So I tried my hand at poetry, and it seemed like a good source of creative expression. It is just, a way for me to express myself. There are so many words and so many thoughts inside my head that is just like thoda sa way of getting some of it out, not even entirely. And then, yeah, of course, it's a big part. All the recitation competitions I've done in school, I've recited my own poems and won all of them. So yeah, so it's,
Yeah, it's really very nice. You're right. You are writing poem on your own. मतलब खुद की लिखी हुई कविताएं अगर हम पोस्ट करते हैं, that is really very nice और बहुत बड़ी बात है. It's a proud moment for everyone कि एक अपनी पहचान आपने अलग बनाई है. मतलब टॉपर आप हो, that is another thing. But एक कविताओं की भी अगर हम बात करें तो वो आप खुद से अपनी कविताएं लिख रहे हो, अपनी लैंग्वेज में, अपनी भाषा उसमें डाल रहे हो, तो वो एक बहुत बड़ी बात है कि आपने एक पहचान बनाई है अपनी अलग.
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक ये जर्नी जो रही है, आपकी लॉन्ग जर्नी रही है, किंडरगार्टन से लेके अभी तक का जो वक्त रहा, काफी डिफिकल्ट सा रहा होगा, राइट? बहुत एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे
होंगे. Yeah, you can say that. And to add on that, okay, about the writing part, so I write a lot. So of course I did the script writing for, the school assemblies and the scripts, street plays and all of that, directing street plays, being a part of street plays. And then like ChatGPT and AI, that all started around class 11 and all, right?
Yeah.
So even after that, even though my teachers could access AI and be like, write me a street play script, they used to come to me and be like, Rashi, please write this.
I think it has become a little easier for us. Like AI and ChatGPT had made some things easier for us.
No, but then I was my school's AI. I was the AI for my teachers.
For your school.
Yeah, that is what I would say. I was, the people came to me and were like, okay, write me something about this because we need to speak tomorrow's assembly. Yeah.
Because your writing skills are very nice, right?
Yeah, they are honed and skilled.
Of course. So राशि, हम आपके पेरेंट्स से भी जानना चाहेंगे. राशि के जो फादर हैं वो भी इस वक्त हमारे साथ हैं और आइए उनसे जानना चाहेंगे. उनसे तो बातें करते हैं, जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे कि उन्हें कैसा लग रहा है, हाउ इज ही फीलिंग, क्योंकि एक बेटी, मतलब शी इज अ नेशनल टॉपर राशि चौबे जो है, और पूरे हम कहते हैं ना अपने पेरेंट्स का ही नहीं, सिलीगुड़ी शहर का नाम रोशन किए है. वी आर रियली प्राउड ऑफ हर. तो एक बार उनके पेरेंट्स से भी जानना चाहेंगे आखिर उन्हें कैसा फील हो रहा है. तो नमस्ते सर, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका एनी न्यूज भारत में. सबसे पहले आपका नाम.
थैंक्स, आप आए हम लोग के पास कवर अप करने के लिए. मेरा नाम सिद्धार्थ चौबे, फादर ऑफ राशि चौबे, द टॉप. तो आई एम फीलिंग अबव क्लाउड्स. अभी तो बोलने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, एक्सपेक्टेशन जो था उससे भी ज्यादा मिला है.
उससे भी ज्यादा.
वेरी हैप्पी विद इट.
मतलब जो एक्सपेक्ट, अच्छा आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि राशि मतलब नेशनल टॉपर.
आई करेक्ट माय सेल्फ. She expected 100 out of 100, means 100%.
Okay.
And I had some sort of little bit 1-2%
doubt
here and there, up and down. But she proved herself. Yeah, she is worth getting it.
ओके. सो सर, एक होता है ना कि पेरेंट्स को बहुत चिंता रहती है बच्चों को लेके, क्योंकि अभी एंड्रॉइड का जमाना है, एवरीबडी इज हैविंग मोबाइल फोन, राइट? सो बच्चे दिन रात जो हम सुनते हैं फोन में लगे रहते हैं, पेरेंट्स को बहुत टेंशन रहती है. तो क्या आपको राशि को लेके कभी ऐसी स्थिति रही है कि है ना, मतलब हम ध्यान देना पड़ रहा है ज्यादा या कुछ ऐसा?
नहीं, लॉकडाउन से पहले जब स्कूल में एक बार पेटीएम हुआ था, द प्रिंसिपल मैम हैड आस्क्ड which parents are giving the kids the mobiles.
Yeah.
So I was the one to raise my hand.
Okay.
I was honest. Mobile मुझे मालूम था क्या, if the kids use them properly,
okay,
they will be able to access the whole
this is very
information.
Right. Yeah.
So I provided her. She used it well during long lockdowns.
Yeah.
And then now the proof.
ओके. तो बिल्कुल आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि आपने एक प्राउडली पेरेंट होने के नाते हैंड रेज किया कि आपने मोबाइल दिया है, राइट? कि उसको एक अच्छे तरीके से यूज करो. कहते हैं ना, चीजों को सही तरीके से यूज करो.
अच्छा, मैं मना हुआ था कि प्लीज डू नॉट give more than 2 hours.
Yeah,
1 hour.
of course.
Mobile
is not allowed in any school.
Yeah, but मैं घर पे चलाने के
लिए. हाँ जी, sure. तो अच्छा सर, हमने सुना है कि आप भी ट्यूशंस देते हैं. You are also a teacher. So I think she is also a proud daughter, right? मतलब उसके लिए इतना बड़ा गर्व का बात है ये कि मतलब एक फादर जो है वो खुद बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं. तो I think this is the reason, Rashi, behind this कि you have not taken any coaching or tuitions.
Oh, do you think so?
First of all, I should be frank for this because गलत बोलना ठीक नहीं रहेगा इसके लिए.
जी.
although I am teaching since 30 years, I think,
Okay.
Siliguri town, nearby suburbs, I take a lot of help from my daughter.
Oh my God.
She helps me a lot.
Oh my God.
There are many things now which she's going for a career just now. I came to know a lot about this side.
Yeah.
You need to go left or right. She has
Okay.
narrated me all the incidents, and because of her, I have known all the sides.
Being a father, मतलब आप राशि से
Yeah,
consultation,
हम
this is really very
राशि से सीखते हैं, इसमें बोलने में कोई संकोच नहीं
जी।
है मुझे, and I am thanks to God that I am blessed to have a एकदम genius kid.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
She is
बिल्कुल
genius.
एंड दिस इज रियली स्ट्रेंज कि मतलब आप खुद राशि से कंसल्टेशंस ले रहे हैं. ऑफ कोर्स बनता भी है, राशि इज अ नेशनल टॉपर, बट एक बोलते हैं ना कि एक पेरेंट्स की उम्मीदें जो होती हैं, तो जैसे कि इसकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी आपने जो कहा, लेकिन आपको थोड़ा सा डाउट था कि थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे जा सकता है. अच्छा, फ्यूचर
ना ISC English as she said,
हाँ जी,
1 or 2 marks up and down.
अप एंड डाउन, या ऑफ कोर्स.
She was lucky, God favored.
No, I think
And
I
then-
just worked
and
hard.
And I may reveal this now on 31st of January, 31st of December.
Yeah,
she
last
made
year.
Last year she made a short video
ओके,
that I'll be scoring 99.75 or maximum 100% this time.
Okay.
She showed me the clip yesterday. She didn't reveal it earlier. So
Okay.
I was strange that what
Yeah,
she says.
so before New Year, I had staggered my preparation, and I was like, I'll complete it on 31st December. So I completed my syllabus on 31st December, and I was free. So I just made this little clip, and I said, oh, so today is the 31st of December. Tomorrow it's 2026, and I just
Yeah.
want to say that after 3 months,
ओके,
the boards will happen, and I will get either 100% or a 99.75%.
ओके,
And then I kept it to myself, and then yesterday I remembered, oh my god, I can show that to my parents.
ओके,
Yeah,
यू आर वेरी
And
श्योर.
also, I want to say that he is a very learned man, very well educated. So whatever he says about me guiding him
Yeah.
is, of course, an exaggeration.
Credibility.
Yeah. Well, because of how my dad and how my mom are, right? They're intelligent people. They're well educated, open-minded people. Because of how they have, nurtured me since childhood. That's why I am the way I am. I know things. I have access to the knowledge that I do, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so it's because of the.
This will make me little.
इमोशंस काफी, बिल्कुल, एक पेरेंट्स के काफी इमोशंस होते हैं. अच्छा सर, फ्यूचर को लेके जैसे कि राशि ने बताया, शी हैज चूजन पॉलिटिकल साइंस. सो आपके क्या ड्रीम्स थे इनको लेके, मतलब आपका भी यही था कि इसे पॉलिटिकल साइंस कराना है, या यू वर थिंकिंग समथिंग डिफरेंट?
Her mother left her teaching in 5 or 6.
ओके,
She was able to keep up herself. Wherever she
Like
required.
mother teaching
some-
me.
Yeah,
Okay.
a little bit of guide, whatever she required, I gave her.
ओके,
And then she is very lucky, or we are lucky that she started understanding her responsibility, which side to go, what to do since class 8.
ओके,
So now she has come up to the whole conclusion. So she knows what I have to do, where I have to go, and she has guided herself. No icon, no क्या बोल रहे थे? किसी
Yeah,
को
somebody
admire
asked
करना,
me,
somebody-
so another reporter asked me who my icon was.
Yeah,
And the
she herself
thing is that I don't want to be by like anybody else. I just want to grow into, the future version of Rashi that I've always dreamt of.
ओके,
That is what he's trying to,
Yeah.
he's trying to make me say that quote again.
ओके. ओके राशि, थैंक यू सो मच सर. और बिल्कुल एक बार फिर से आप सभी के सामने सिलीगुड़ी से एक बार फिर से राशि चौबे ने सिलीगुड़ी शहर का नाम रोशन किया है, नेशनल टॉपर बनके, राज्य की ISC टॉपर बनके. तो ऐसे ही बाकी की खबरों के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए एनी न्यूज़ भारत. धन्यवाद.